Hello there makers, this is Annie from Annie's Art Studio and I am so excited about my new collab with Epoxies. The new Annie's Art Kit consists of the original flag system and the medium hardener. This is hands down my go-to system for all my crafting projects. This kit contains a 16 ounce of medium viscosity resin and 8 ounces of 20-minute hardener to be mixed at a 2-to-1 ratio. This system provides the perfect working time that produces minimum bubbles, and you can do multiple layers every 2 hours at 70 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also use this resin for shallow casting up to ½ an inch at a time, compatible with additives like alcohol ink, acrylic paint, mica, powders, glitters, and so much more. You can use this kit to make all your game sets like dominoes, tic-tac-toe boards, chess, and checkers. Also, you can use it to make all your trays and trinket dishes. Now let me tell you a little bit more about when and how I started using the flag system and how much more efficient it made my workflow for my resin business. In the beginning of 2020, I started making resin pyramids in casting molds that were about 16 to 18 layers. Before adding the next layer to my work, I had to make sure that my previous layer was fully cured, which usually takes 12 to 16 hours to cure. This would make my work time a few days before I could finish an entire pyramid. Now this is where the magic happened when I found the flag system and my workflow completely changed for my business. Because the flag system cures so quickly, I was able to add a new layer every 2 hours, which made my process to finish my project a lot quicker. And my favorite part about the system is that because the viscosity is a medium viscosity, it doesn't hold a lot of bubbles, which made my cast super crystal clear. Now from pyramids, I moved on to making paintings with sculpted panels and resin with my flag system and all of the game domino sets and the tic-tac-toe boards. In the beginning of 2021 is when I started making my designer domino sets. I began to get a large number of orders, and if it wasn't for how quickly I could work with the flag system, I would not be able to keep up with these orders. Because the resin has such a low viscosity, it was so quick for me to mix the resin, mix in the pigments, the glitters, and go ahead and pour multiple domino sets in one day. Now, layering is not the only way I use the flag system. In my artwork, I love using florals and all sorts of small little items in my casts and also in my little wood dishes. Now, in thicker layers of resin, all of these kinds of items are going to float. So I love using a very thin layer to go ahead and kind of glue all of these items down. And again, because the resin cures so quickly, I'm able to put the final coat either on the back or on the top in just a couple of hours. Epoxies and I are so excited to see all the wonderful creations you guys are going to make, so don't forget to tag us and happy crafting!